Right now you're looking at 9679 Acadian Drive. This is out in Creewald Place. It's off 90. Creewald off of Prue Road, Marbach Road. We're gonna go in here and take a look at this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, approximate square footage 1,249. It's in the North Side ISD. As you can see, it does have an open floor plan. I believe right here we're standing on vinyl planks. Look back here at the front door. Through that wide door will be your garage. Also, the laundry room is out there as well. Off to the right here at the front, we have the 2 secondary bedrooms. These are approximate same sizes, 10 by 10. These are carpeted. We'll take a look at the second bathroom right here. We'll go back around here to the entryway. Here's going to be your dining. Dining area is a good size here. Approximately 11 by 13. This leads out into your kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space here and countertop space. Right into the master bedroom, which is also carpeted. 12 by 13 is the approximate size of this master. And into the master bath. This is linoleum in here. Your closet's going to be right here to the back. In the dining and kitchen area, you're going to have the tile, ceramic tile. Let's go out back. Good sized backyard. As I said, this property is in the North Side ISD. Approximate square footage 1,249. If you'd like to get some information, you can call Liberty Management. They're the property managers. They're located at 7217 Bandera Road. You can also call them at 210-681-8080. Mark Fee also has a lot of information about this property. His phone number is 210-618-9161. This is out in Creewald Place. This is off 90, Marbach area, Creewald Road. Northside ISD, 9679 Acadian Drive. Approximate square footage 1,249. In the Northside ISD, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Thank you for watching.